Hey, wanted to shoot a quick video here. I'm out at the dog park in Vero Beach, Florida. Funny story about that. I was playing a show and I was like, it's so nice to be out here in sunny California. And then I caught myself and I was like, wait, did I say California? I meant Florida. But anywho, I wanted to shoot a video about some mishaps that can happen on tour and how you can be prepared for them. My acoustic guitar, when I restrung it right before tour, I noticed that the bridge was starting to crack a little bit. I'll put a picture up so that you can see what I'm talking about. But when I put tension back on the strings, it held the saddle in place, so I was like, well, maybe I can make this work until the end of tour and then I'll go get it fixed. It worked for my first show, but by the time I got to the second show, the pickup sits right underneath that saddle and it was not picking up the sound of the strings. So even though the guitar itself was playable, I wasn't able to get any projection through it through my PA. So I went ahead and sent an email in to Teton. They're a great company out of, I think it's Idaho Springs, Idaho. They emailed me back within a day and they were like, yeah, just send it in. We'll get it fixed for you and send it back to you. The only cost to me is going to be the cost of shipping, which shipping a guitar from Colorado to Idaho is still, you know, not going to be cheap by any means, but it's still a far cry from paying a luthier to get it fixed myself. Fortunately for me, my setup involves an acoustic and electric guitar as well as a 5-string electric bass. So I still have 2 of the 3, and everything I can do on the acoustic I can still do on my electric 6-string. So that's why I'm able to keep pushing on without having to actually stop and go seek out a luthier and get it fixed on tour. But this type of shit happens, and I just want you guys to be prepared for it and inspect your instruments carefully before you embark on the tour. And yeah, just sharing a little bit of my story with you. But things are going great otherwise. Out here in Florida, having a great time running around with the dogs at the dog park. So I'm going to end this video on a high note there. My next show is in Sebastian, Florida here in a few days, getting pumped up for that one, and yeah, we're gonna keep rocking. So thanks for checking out the video. Please subscribe to the channel below, and that way you'll be in the loop for all the rest of the content. Here's the loop. Here's you're in the loop when you subscribe. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next video.